In the previous lectures, we saved the template under templates directly. So we can also save the template within another folder. So it will be better to do that. So I will quickly show it here. Go to File menu and click on Save As. Here, create a new folder. Let's name this folder as Test Pro. And save home.html within this folder. Click on Save. So we are going to use the new template which we created in Test Pro folder, and Test Pro folder is created within Templates folder. So instead of using the template which is created directly in Templates, we will be using the template which is created within Test Pro folder, and Test Pro folder is created within Templates folder. In order to distinguish them, let's make some small modifications. First, remove this one, and let's make the background color yellow for heading. So here, copy this part, paste, remove the color related part, and make the background color yellow. Okay. So open up views.py, which we already had in the previous lectures. So it was in Test Pro post folder. See Python 2.7 Django examples Test Pro post views.py. And for get template, change the parameter. Instead of home.html, we have to type Test Pro / home.html. So here type Test Pro /. Let's save the template. Let's save the views.py. Open up the browser, paste and go. So we got the modified templates view. The background color for the heading is yellow. In this course, I try to explain everything as simple as possible, and I try to summarize the topics. I also show the file locations because I know that sometimes subscribers can have problem while practicing the lectures because of missing the file locations. I wish that this course will help you in your career by helping you to improve your skills and understanding. This is the end of the lecture. Thanks for watching.